Hello kids, how are you? So this is Shipra again with new DIY activity. Yes, as we all know, Diwali is just at the doorstep. So we are going to make this beautiful, simple candle stand, diya stand. This we have made our wall hanging of diyas. Okay, so let me just quickly tell you what all things do we need. But before that, as you all know, we have a small ritual to do. Yes, kids. So it's Shipra again with the DIY activity for yellow class. And what do we say? Okay, yes. Let us learn to fly high with yellow class DIY. So here we go with our new DIY activity. For this, what we need, kids, we need thick strips of A4 size. I have taken 28 centimeters by 4 centimeters. You can take different colors. You can take different colors. You can take different sheets, but it should be thick. One thing, I have made a diya hanging of 3 diyas. For 3 diyas, you can make it for 5, you can make it for 4, whatever way you want to do it. Okay, so this is, I have this different colors. I have cut it. I'm again telling you the instructions. It says 4 centimeters and 28 centimeters. This is all what we need. And then we need stapler. We need thread for tying, a toothpick to make a hole, and this is a bamboo stick. This is what we need, kids. And later on, you can use those battery operated diyas and you can just put it inside. Okay, so let me just quickly start with the activity. So what we have to do, we have to cut the threads in the given centimeters. Okay, so what you will do, you can take the thread, and if you have a thin thread, kids, you can just make it thick by overlapping it. I am taking around 28 centimeter by 28 centimeters only. So I have taken approximately 28 centimeters for tying. So I'm doing a folding 4 times because my thread is thin. If your thread is thick, no worries. You can take just 2 foldings only. I've taken 4 foldings of 28 centimeters and I have cut it. So we basically need around 3 foldings of 28 centimeter by 28 centimeter for, because we are making 3 diya stands. Okay, so what we are going to do, what we are just simply going to fold it like this, and the place where you are going to put the diya should be little more thick, and we will just simply staple it like this. Okay, kids, we will just staple it. We'll give a nice staple, 2 to 4 staples, so that it becomes quite stiff. And this is ready. The ring is ready. Okay, I'm just showing you once more. Just staple it. On, your ring is ready. Now what you have to do next is you have to just take care of the center point and prick it with a toothpick. Make the size little bigger. Okay, and we will put this thread inside. So with the help of this toothpick only, we'll put the thread inside. You can increase the size by even punching it, but just be careful, it should not be very thick. So with the help of this toothpick only, I have put my thread inside, and we will tie a knot here, a thick knot. Okay, a thick knot we have tied, kids. Okay, and we'll pull it apart. So our one ring is ready. Same way we will do for the others. Okay. We'll just prick it like this with the toothpick and we'll just put it inside with the help of the toothpick only. And we'll tie a knot. Same way we'll prepare more. If you want to make for 5, you can make 5 rings. If you're making for 2, you can make for 2. I will be making for 3. So you can see our rings are ready. Okay. This one, and this one. Now what we have to do is we have to take a thread for the hanging part. Okay. So again, you can take approximately a bigger thread that is again 28 by 28 centimeters or little more than that. And we can use it for tying to the opposite sides. This is for this hanging which we need to make. Kids, if you don't have a bamboo stick, you can take a broomstick. If you don't have a broomstick, even you can take a twig. That will give a quite contemporary look to your wall hanging. So you can get a good thick twig from outside and you can use that also. Now we are just tying this to make the hanging of this wall hanging. Okay, this diya hanging, we are just tying a knot like this. So at one corner, we are just simply tying it nicely. So for tying a knot, if you feel it's little difficult, you can take help of mama, papa, or any adult person. He or she might help you and you can tie a knot. And this way we will take the center and we'll tie a knot here also. Simply tie a knot like this. Tie at least 2 to 3 knots, kids, because it should be tight enough so that it doesn't open once you tie your diya hangings also. Okay. And the same way as we have tied knot for this, the same way we will be tying knot for these. So what I am doing, I am taking these two in the corners to give it a pattern and this one in the center, which is a little smaller one. Okay. So same way we will tie it again. First, I will tie the center one. So this way you can tie all the 3 together. So it's again simply tying a knot. The thread should be thick, kids, otherwise it will not take the little weight. Although the diya has got very less weight, but it will not take that weight. So the thread should be thick enough to so that you can tie it. Okay. And same way we will tie this one. And this is the way we'll tie all the knots. Okay. And our diya hanging is ready. For these extra threads, we'll give the last finishing touch to it. So anywhere you have extra thread, you can just simply cut it. And you can see that our diya hanging is ready. We can place our diya simply in between. It will not fall. But kids, again, we have to be very careful that as these are made of paper, we can only use battery operated diyas. Okay. So we can only use our battery operated diyas and not the other tea light diyas or anything else other than these battery operated diyas. And you can hang it anywhere. I hope the instructions were clear. It was very simple. You can easily make it. And I wish all of you a very happy Diwali. Do share your pictures. Thank you for watching this video. I, Shipra, on behalf of Yellow Class, say bye-bye and wish you all very happy Diwali. And do share your pictures. We are looking forward to it. Thank you, kids. Bye-bye.